In this video, we'll show you how to make a custom split design like this one, starting from a rectangular shape, and then you will see how to add custom knockdown stitches to stabilize the entire design. First, let's divide the rectangle in custom sections using some lines and the knife tool. To draw a custom line to split this rectangular shape, start the Outline Shapes tool. Hold the Shift key pressed down in order to create straight lines. Set the start node outside of the upper left corner. Now set a point at the vertical center of the shape. Finally, set a last node a little to the outside of the bottom left corner. If your lines are not on top of the corners, use the node editor to fine-tune them. Now select the line in the rectangle, right-click and use the knife option. The rectangular shape is cut by the line. In the same way, create two horizontal lines to cut the other part in 3 sections. Using the Outline Shapes once more, hold the Shift key and Control key down to make a horizontal line. Create a duplicate of this line and move it lower. Once you are satisfied by the way it is divided, select the lines. Right-click and use the Combine option. Now select the lines and the rest of the rectangular shape. Right-click and use the knife option. The rectangular shape is now divided in 4 parts. Set colors to the design. In the second part of this video, learn how to create custom knockdown stitches to stabilize the whole design together. Select all parts. On the Properties bar, set the Remove Overlaps to Never. In order to create an object with the size of all parts together, use the Auto Border tool. Set it to the inside. Set the distance at 0.5 mm. Remove holes should be enabled, and the type should be set to running. For this new part, set as fill color one of the already used colors. Remove the outline color. Set the fill type to netfill and send it to the back of the design. Finally, select all the front parts and set their underlay to tacking, and this netfill part will do the stabilization instead of them. Just like that, starting from a simple rectangle, we have created these divisions, while using the netfill part, we have created custom knockdown stitches.